Alright, so here's the Snow Valley sign and the entrance. Snow Valley. Our first day at Snow Valley in December 17th, 2022. So we have the season pass for the kids for skiing and snowboarding. So today they are snowboarding, and this is only about less than 2 hours from our house in a town called Running Springs. It's a pretty, it's the smallest ski place here in Southern California, but the slopes are pretty gentle for the kids. And here's the parking lot. We are parked the other side of the ski resort because it's easier to, get hold of stuff. Alright, so this is Snow Valley, and it's not that big, but it's pretty nice for, it's near LA. This is the grill where you can eat. There's food here, and you can even sit here, just chillax. It's just outside the main ski area. So just beside the grill, the restaurant, is the main office. This building, if you need season pass, if you need to go to the sports shop, it's all here. Two restrooms here, one for women and one for men, under this, ticket office area. So like I said, the admin offices are 3rd level, guest services 2nd level, and the ticket is on the ground level. So here's where the tickets are. Tickets are here. Here's the parking lot. It's massive. It's $10 to park here, but if you have a season pass, it's free. So this is where you go for your rentals. It says there, see, enter here for rentals. So this is the rentals. Nice directions for everybody. This is the snow play area. Nice sledding here. Snow play. This is as soon as you enter, you'll see it on your left. Snow play. There's lift 1.
And then the line, of course there's no line now, but it went all the way down.
There's lift 2 and lift 6. Where you start. And then here's all the runs. So today, we're going to go full out on lunch. We brought Korean noodles, a little stove, pot, hot water, and we're going to have some nice Korean noodles for lunch for the kids. And yeah, my wife made delicious ramen with chicken. We brought the gas stove today, so it's nice. How's the chicken and the?
That's so
Are you hungry, Ray? Are you waiting? Are you waiting? How's it? We tailgated here, enjoyed our noodles lunch, packed up the car, and there's the snow mountain behind us. Kids are sleighing, and we're just chillaxing here. That's what we do. We just sit down and relax, and the kids, they're big enough now and they just sled and ski and all that stuff.